Hey everyone, this is Marcus from CarTurf. In this video, I want to tell you more about how CarTurf can serve digital nomads, people who are transitioning to moving to Europe, or potentially you're already in Europe and you've decided to switch to a different country. We have a lot of customers at CarTurf who are already in Europe, or they're thinking about moving to Europe, but they just don't know where yet. And CarTurf comes in to help people with getting a car and exploring different places where they want to really be on the ground and then finally decide where they want to settle down, if they want to settle down in the long run. So CarTurf jumps in, helps them get a car, and they are mobile. A lot of customers are already in Europe and they reach out to us saying, we're moving from this country to another country in Europe, and we don't yet have an address in the new country. So CarTurf is a perfect short to long-term solution for many people who don't exactly know where they will settle down or if they will settle down. So enjoy the flexibility with CarTurf. Whether you're looking to move to Europe and you don't know exactly where you want to settle down, you can still be mobile. You can still have the flexibility of having a vehicle to use as you travel, as you explore Europe. And then once you do find a place to settle down, we can deregister the car and coordinate when you will register the car at your new address. So CarTurf is designed to be extremely flexible in that way. Our minimum commitment that we ask our customers to do is 6 months. The majority of our customers in this type of specific situation where they are in transition to a new country or to Europe in general, they find that the bureaucracy takes much longer to find a new place and settle down anyway. So 6 months usually turns into 8 to 12 months. But again, if you don't find a place that you really enjoy, you can continue using CarTurf for 1 to 2 to 3 years, like many of our other customers. So give us a shout out if you are in a similar situation, and we would be glad to help you out.